Welcome to the Azure Data Engineering interview series. I'm your host, and today we'll be diving into handling schema drift in ADF data flows with Azure Data Engineering expert. Let's get started with this technical interview discussion. So, how do you handle schema drift in ADF data flows? It's a common challenge in data engineering projects.
Schema drift can be tricky. In my experience, we tackled this issue by using dynamic mappings and schema drift handling options in Azure Data Factory. For example, in a retail data integration project, we had to deal with frequent changes in the format of product data feeds from suppliers.
That's interesting. Could you elaborate on how you implemented dynamic mappings to adapt to changing schemas?
Sure. We utilized dynamic column mapping in ADF data flows to match incoming data columns with the destination schema. This flexibility allowed us to handle new columns or schema changes without manual intervention. For instance, when a supplier added a new product attribute, our data flow could still ingest the data correctly.
I see. In your retail project, how did you ensure data quality and maintain consistency despite schema changes?
Good question. We implemented data validation checks within the data flow using conditional logic and schema drift triggers. By setting up checks for key fields and data types, we could identify and handle inconsistencies caused by schema drift. This approach helped us maintain data integrity even when the schema evolved unexpectedly.
Thank you for watching this interview discussion. I hope you found it helpful for your interview preparation and career growth. For more technical interview questions and content, please follow the Clear Interviews channel. Good luck with your interviews.